Hello, good morning children. Hope you're fine and doing well. This class is continuation of exercise 3.4 and here question number 3 has been picked up for you, and the question number 3, simplify the following. Okay, sub question A, they've taken, it's a very simple question. You see, 1 by 2 into 4 by 7 into 11 by 13. So simplify. So here operation, sign of operation, we don't have plus minus, only we have got multiplication sign. Okay, so it's very simple. Let us solve it. Solution 1 by 2 into 4 by 7 into 11 by 13. Okay, now see, this 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2. Okay, common divisor of 2 and 4 is 2, so we can do 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So in the following step, what we got? Numerators place 1 into 2 into 11. So 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 11 is 22, and denominator plus we got 1 into 7 into 3. So 1 times 7 is 7, 7 times 13 is 91, so 22 by 91. This is the solution for question number 1, sub question A. It's a very simple question, nothing there to teach. Okay, let us take one more question from here. Well, children, here question number C, sub question C has been also picked up for you, and C is also a very simple question. Solution so our question was minus 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 4 into minus 4 by 5. Okay, now see, 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. 3 times 1 is 3, here minus is there, so I'll put here minus. Okay, now again 4 times 1 is 4, again 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. Okay, so what we got in the following step, numerator plus you got minus 2 into minus 1 into minus 1. So 2 into 1, 1, sorry, 2 times 1 is 2, again 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, now how many minus? 3 minus, odd number, so minus will become minus. Minus, minus, plus, plus, minus, minus. And down here you see 1 into 5 equal 5. So minus 2 by 5. This is the solution of question number 1, sub question C. Okay. Well, let us take one more question from this very question, the sub question D. That is minus 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2 within brackets. So let us solve it. Solution. Okay. Our question was minus 2 by 3 into, within bracket we have got 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So in the following step, minus 2 by 3 will write as it is, we will not do anything, into, we know as per the BODMAS formula. Okay, BODMAS rule, we should do the bracket work first. So we'll do the work first. Within bracket we have got 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So a fractional subtraction. So what we'll do, first of all, we'll find the LCM of 5 and 2, and you know 5 and 2 both are prime number, so LCM will be 5 times 2, 10. Okay, now by this 5 we'll divide this 10. 4 by 5, first denominator is 5, with this 5 first denominator 5 will divide 10, we'll get 5 times 2 is 10, 2 times into numerator is here 4, so we'll write 4. Okay, now this is minus. Now again by the second denominator 2 will divide the LCM 10, we'll get 5 times. and 5 into 1. Okay. Now in the following step, minus 2 by 3 into, okay, here what we got, denominator plus 10, numerator plus 2 times 4 is 8, minus 5 times 1 is 5. Okay. Now in the following step, minus 2 by 3 into, here we got denominator plus 10, numerator plus 8, minus 5, 3. Okay. Now 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, and this minus will go there, 2 times 5 is 10. So what we got? Numerator plus we got minus 1 into 1, that means minus 1, and denominator plus 1 into 5, 1 times 5 is 5, so what got minus 1 by 5. This is the solution for question number 3, sub question D. Well, next rest question from question number 3, proceed on yourself. Now let us proceed to question number 4, and the question number 4 is divide the difference of 4 by 7 and 12 by 13 by their sum. It's also a very simple question. Okay, let us solve it. Solution. So divide the difference of 4 by 7 and 12 by 13. Okay. So what we'll do, difference of 4 by 7, 4 by 7, difference means 4 by 7 minus 12 by 13. Difference, and here to divide the difference by their sum. So 4 by 7 plus 12 by 13. Okay. Well, now in the following step you see 4 by 7 minus 12 by 13. So 7 and 13 both are prime number, you see. So now you have to multiply in order to get the LCM. 7 times 13 is 91. That is the LCM. By 7, if you divide 91, you will get 13 times. 13 into numerator was 4, so 13 into 4 minus, by 13 if you divide 91, you will get 7 times, and numerator was 12. Okay, similarly downside also, 7 and 13 LCM is 91. If you divide by 7, 19, you will get 30 times, 13 into 4, okay, plus 7 into 12. Okay. Now in the following step you see okay, here we got 91 denominator place and numerator plus we got 13 times 4, 12 carry over 1, 52, and minus 84, and denominator plus here 52 plus 84 divided by 91. Now in the following step you see what we got here. Here we got 52 minus 84. It's not possible to subtract 84 from 52, so what will be in reverse, from 84 will subtract 52. So 4 minus 2 is 2, and 8 minus 5 is 3. You will get 32, and sign in front of the larger figure is negative, so I'll put here negative, minus 32 by 91, and here denominator plus 91, 2 plus 4 is 6, 5 plus 8 13. Is it? Now in the following step you see minus 32 by 91. This divide sign will turn into, and whenever the divide turn into, next fraction you have to write in reciprocal order. So denominator 91 will go numerator place, and the numerator 136 will come denominator place. Okay. Now 92 91 times 1 is 91. 91 times 1 is 91. Okay. Now 32 and 1 36. Both are divisible by 2. So I'll divide by 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12, carry over 1 16, 2 times 8 is 16, here also 2 times 16 is 32, this minus will go there. Again both are divisible by 2, we'll divide by 2, 2 times 4 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 8 is 6, and minus will go there. Again we can divide by 2, 2 times 17 is 34, and 2 times 4 is 8, minus 4 by 17. So what we got? Minus 4 by 17. This is the solution for our question number 4. Divide the difference of 4 by 7 and 12 by 3 by their sum. It's a very simple question, nothing there to teach. Well, now let us solve question number 5. It's a very simple question, all same. Question number 5. By what number should you multiply minus 13 by 37 to get 13 by 43? Last time also I taught you this kind of question. You can do both way. We can do either algebraic way. We can also solve arithmetic way. So let us solve in algebraic way. Solution. Our question is, by what number should you multiply minus 13 by 37 to get 13 by 43? So we don't know by what number should you multiply. Since you don't know what we'll do, we'll assume, okay? Let minus 13 by 33 be multiplied by x. Let minus 13 by 37 be multiplied by x. Since you don't know by what number should you multiply, so we have assumed that let minus 13 by 37 be multiplied by x. So now as per the question, okay, as per the question, minus 13 by 37, whenever you multiply by x, the result become 13 by 43. Well, okay, in order to know the required number, you should know the value of x. So since we are to know the value of x, so first of all we'll find the value of x. So since you have to find the value of x, we'll keep the x to the left side. This is equal sign, this is left part, this is the right part. Okay, so this x will keep to the left, rest all will take to the right. See, to the right, previously you have got 13 by 43. Okay, and this minus 13 by 33 also will take to the right. To the left, it is multiplied with x. If you bring to the right, this multiplication will turn into divide. Okay, so we'll write divide minus 13 by 37. Alright. Now in the following step, see, 13 by 43, this divide will turn into next fraction reciprocal order. This denominator 37 will go numerator place, and numerator minus 13 will come denominator place. Now rest part is very simple. 13 times 1 is 13, 13 times minus 1 is minus 13. So what we got? We got here 43 into minus 1, that is minus 43, and here we got 1 into 37, we got 37 by minus 43. We know we don't write the negative sign in denominator place, so what we'll write here, we'll write minus 37 by 43. This is our solution. Question number 5. So by what number should you multiply minus 13 by 37? So answer will be minus 13 by 37 should be multiplied by minus 37 by 43. Okay. Well, next question number 6, also very same question. Okay. By what number should you divide? This question was by what number should you multiply, and next question by what number should you divide. So in place of into, you have to put here only divide, the rest all will be same. Since it is by what number should you multiply, you have to put into x. By what number should you divide? So you put divide x. So you proceed on yourself. This question number 6 is homework for you. Well, we'll solve one more last question from this very chapter. That is question number 7. From a rope 37.5 meter long, pieces of equal sizes, each measuring 3 and 4 by 3 meter, are cut. How many pieces will be obtained? Okay. Our question is how many pieces will be obtained. So required number of pieces, number of pieces is equal total length of the rope, divided by length of each piece, length of each piece. Okay, that's very simple. Now see, total length of the rope was 37.5 meter. Is it 37.5 meter? And length of each piece we got 3 and 4 by 3 meter. Now see, this meter and meter cancel. Is it? So what remaining? Remaining, see, denominator plus 2. 2 times 37, we know 2 times 7 is 14, carry over 1, 674 and 175. Okay, 2 times 37, 74 plus 175, and downside denominator plus 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 4 13. Now in the following step, 75 by 2, and this divide will turn into, and whenever the divide sign turn into, next fraction you have to write reciprocal order. That means denominator will go numerator place, numerator will come denominator plus. Alright, so now what we got, 2 times 13 is 26, and 3 times 75, 3 times 5 is 15, carry over 1, 3 times 7 is 21, carry over 1, 22, 225 by 26. Okay, now if you divide, we'll get 8 and 17 by 26. That means we will not get exactly 9 pieces, we'll get 8 piece rope and 1 incomplete piece. Okay, that means 17 out of 26. This is the solution for question number 7. All children, with this I'm going to wind up this class. See you again in the next class. Till then, keep practicing, keep watching videos. Stay safe. Bye.